My name is Lindsay Shetler. I'm the Special Collections Librarian at the University of St. Mary DePaul Library Special Collections. We are in the Special Collections room, and this is located on the second floor of the DePaul Library on the University of St. Mary campus. The Special Collections holds primary sources as well as secondary sources, so the unique and raw material that is up here can be used for research, curriculum building, project-based, and also some professional development. H. Hall Abraham Lincoln Collection holds 10,000 items, and of those 10,000 are 8 original manuscripts signed and written by Abraham Lincoln. And here are 2 examples of those that are written by Lincoln, one to Mary Todd Lincoln in 1865, and then another written by Abraham Lincoln in 1864. Students can gain access in here by making an appointment with myself or one of the other librarians, Danielle Dion, who's the library director, and Ashley Creek, who is the emerging technologies librarian. And we are open from 8 to 4:30.
Hi, I'm Ashley Creek. I'm the Emerging Technologies Librarian at USM DePaul Library. More faculty are having students work on active learning projects. Those are more that projects that require real-world tangible outcomes. So when students go out into their everyday jobs professionally, there's a strong likelihood that they'll be asked to do things like make a brochure, make a poster, make a video promoting our agency, our company. So we really wanted to get the technology in the hands of our students to let them experiment with learning and really work on things. Another thing that it's great for is modeling. So if you have difficulty understanding genetic structure and the changes in the genome, if you can model it with yarn or Play-Doh or other types of materials that are available in our makerspace, it really helps unite this information from the book with information that I actually understand and can apply. In the makerspace cabinets you can find a little bit of everything. Scissors, glue, various types of adhesives, cutting boards. We have LED lights, batteries, and electronic conductive tape so that you can make, if you want to make a skirt that lights up, you can do that and create it. We have Legos if you just need to model a basic shape. Paper, markers, anything that we can think of to help students create projects and help them understand concepts in a more tangible way. We have camcorders, tripods, things to make better cell phone videos. We have little robots that you can play with. If you're interested in electronics, we have a modular synthesizer kit that has projects that you can work on. We have Raspberry Pis, which are microcomputers, so you can actually make interesting devices. Like I'm working on building a touchscreen photo booth that will let students use it as a digital photo booth and hopefully have that ready for finals. There's lots of very project-based items that you can check out, and you can check them all out from the library's main website. The 3D printer has been used by physics classes for research projects to build components, parts for experiments. It's been used in art classes to learn about 3D modeling and how to create items for that. The art class built a forest of 3D printed trees, and the physics class, one student group built a homemade vacuum, and another group tested which type and shape of speaker created the most clear sound and the largest audio amplification for an iPod dock. So really interesting applications. The benefit of the 3D printer is really that it's really flexible. It lets you create really anything that you can model. So if you need something that can be very customized, it's really great at letting you build that and not necessarily have to go find the perfect object to begin with.